8 students from University of Staffordshire, UK visited LPU for a student exchange program. Hear out their experiences.
Hi, my name's Nia.
My name's Tom.
My name's Esteemed.
My name's Michael.
So I'm Jamie.
My name's Luke.
My name is Anna Maria Gregson.
And I've come to LPU for a month for a global experience trip.
Describe your experience at LPU.
I've really enjoyed how much of a community it is over in this university. All of you really, across all over the subjects, everyone's really friendly. I've been able to make a lot of friends and a lot of connections over here so far. Everyone's really just band together.
LPU, everything. The people are lovely, the weather's nice, the food's lovely, everything's good.
Meeting the different faculty, listening to them talk about their subjects, which they're very passionate about, including forensic science, where we had to solve a crime, which was something I don't think I've ever done before.
I've loved meeting all the local students and equally how friendly they've been.
What's your favorite memory from your time at LPU?
It's really interesting to see everyone work together and they're making their own creations to show off where they're from. I think it's just amazing. It's so inclusive.
My best memory, I really enjoy the yoga classes in the morning. It's a great way to start the day.
A fantastic global experience, widening their global perspective.
I'd definitely say the people, just how friendly they are. On our first day, we had someone come up to us and help us round. We didn't even know who they were. They just came and said, we'll give you a tour around. So really nice people.
My favourite memory here was probably exploring this humongous campus, and the uni mall was quite nice.
One of the first days we had, we were walking around the campus, we were a little bit lost, and we had several people come and help us and direct us, and were our tour guides for a couple of hours, which was really nice.
It's so beautiful, this campus is. I've been really loving it. So thank you very much.